Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth head-to-head comparison review about these two accounting software platform, which is Wave and Expensify, so to help you decide which of these will be a better choice for you in 2025. So let's dive into it. Wave continued to shine as one of the best free accounting tools for freelancers, solopreneurs, and small businesses. It offers core features like invoicing, expense tracking, receipt scanning, and basic report at no cost. Its simple interface and automated features make it incredible beginner friendly, while Expensify on the other hand is purpose-built for managing expenses, reimbursement, and corporate card transactions. It excels in receipt automation, approval workflow, and mileage tracking, making it ideal for large teams or companies with a frequent employees reimbursement. However, Waves lack more advanced budgeting or multi-user permission features, which Expensify handles better. Meanwhile, Expensify pricing may feel high if you only need basic accounting functions and not full expense management. And here's the very conclusion: choose Wave if you are a solo worker or small business needing a full accounting on a budget, or go with Expensify if expense tracking, approval, and team reimbursements are central of your operation. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. Give it a turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.